This is the last video of exercise 4.5, the question number 16. I am going to explain, and then after you will solve rest of the question by yourself. Okay, so actually this question is little bit different because the 3 by 3 matrix is given, and we want to verify AQ means 3 times we will multiply with A, then 6A square 9A minus 4I, that is equal to 0, and hence find the A inverse. First of all, A square means A dot A. Clear? You will write this matrix 2 times, and you know to multiply the matrix means row and column. 2 into 2 minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 1, then you will get 2 into minus 1, 1 minus 1 into 2, and 1 into minus 1, then you get the second. And third column, first row, 2 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2, then you will get the A13. Just like you will get after addition and subtraction, you will get 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 5, and this 5 minus 5 and 6. Clear? Again, AQ means A square into A square is this, as you find earlier, right here, and then after A is written here. Take, write all the elements of A. Again, row and column. 6 into 2 minus 5 into minus 1, 5 into 1. Clear? Then you will get the this first element. Again, row and column, second column, you will get the second element. Again, row and the third column, then you will get the first row, third column. Clear? IJ 1 3. Clear? Similarly, you will do all the things. Now when you will simply make the operation plus and minus, then you will get this. Clear? So this one is your A square and this one is your AQ. Clear? And now again write the equation. AQ minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I. Okay, when you will write, and then AQ, whatever you find the value of AQ, right here, minus 6 times put the value of A square, plus 9 times put the value of A, minus 4, and then after write the identical matrix. Clear? Minus 6 multiply inside the bracket, then it become plus. Minus 6 is 36, minus 36, like this. Okay, 9 multiply inside the matrix, then you will get, and 4 multiply, minus 4 multiply inside the bracket, then you will get the sign plus or minus 4 here. Now simply addition. First element of each and every matrix. There are the 4 matrices. When you will get this, everywhere you will check ki whatever the negative numbers, the same numbers are positive. So it means cancel. When you cancel, then you will get all the zeros. Just check here. After completing the mathematical operation, you will get 0. It means you have proved that this is matrix is 0. Clear? And now we want to get the A inverse. So to find the A inverse, multiply by the A inverse both sides. Now AQ means A inverse A into A square. Are you going to understand? A inverse A की मल्टीप्लाई A क्यूब है, तो A स्क्वायर बचा है, वो हमने यहाँ लिख दिया. माइनस 6 टाइम A इनवर्स A, एंड देन आफ्टर A माइनस 9 टाइम A इनवर्स A, and minus 4I into A inverse, that is equal to 0. So it become I, identical matrix, I A square minus 6I A, because this one become I, identical matrix, minus A inverse A is known I, this is I, and 4I A inverse. I A inverse means when you are multiplying to the 4 I and A inverse. And now just check. This is the IA, this one is the minus 6, ए आई इंटू ए, ओके, ए इनवर्स इंटू ए, दैट इज आई, तो 9i माइनस 4i, बिकॉज व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई i टू ए इनवर्स इट बिकम ए इनवर्स। i से मल्टीप्लाई चाहे हमारी ए की हो या ए इनवर्स की, देयर इज नो चेंज, सो प्लस 9 माइनस 4 इट बिकम प्लस 5 minus 9i, and this 4i inverse you keep in the left side because this is the a inverse and this is not a inverse, so इसे हम लिख देते हैं किस में, लेफ्ट साइड में। तो ये आ गया 4a और रेस्ट ऑफ द आपने लिख दिया, तो 4a इनवर्स। अब इनकी वैल्यू पुट कर दीजिए, a स्क्वायर माइनस 6 टाइम a 9 टाइम आइडेंटिकल मैट्रिक्स बिकॉज इट आर i, and now multiply it and then after add, now it is visible, so 4a inverse that is 6 6 दूनी 12 minus 12 and 9 बन जाए 9, again minus 5 written here, plus 6 and 9 zeros are 0 written here, again 5 minus 6 and this one is 0, क्लियर। जब आप ये कर देंगे तो सारा का सारा निकल के आ जाएगा, सिंपली मैथमेटिक ऑपरेशन है, प्लस माइनस करके हमने इसको मैट्रिक्स निकाल ली 3/3 की। और जो 4 लिखे हुए थे 4a इनवर्स, तो a इनवर्स कितना हो जाएगा हमारा, 4 इधर आ जाएगा 1/4 एंड दैट द मैट्रिक्स, क्लियर। तो ये क्वेश्चन होता है आपका और बोर्ड के एग्जामिनेशन में ये 6 मार्क्स में आता है। अब नया शेड्यूल क्या आता है गवर्नमेंट का, तो हो सकता है शायद 5 मार्क्स का लिमिटेशन हो, अदरवाइज 6 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, क्लियर। पॉज द वीडियो एंड नोट डाउन।